Good evening, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning into another stream. Today I'm joined by Mr. Hazed.
Yo.
If you're new to these streams, this is what we do here. Take a look at some NQ price action from previous days, go over some trades, see what it can do into the future. We take a look at some crypto, and then we also take a gander at some stonks. So let's get into it today. Right now, we're just going to take a look at NQ and the price action that we've had this previous week. And then we'll maybe see what we can do going into this week. Actually, maybe no predictions yet because the government's still shut down. Trump is still fighting with Xi Jinping. So for right now, we'll keep it cool, calm, collected, and not predict anything on NQ. It's maybe a minor little speculation, but let's dive in here. Monday. Where's my Monday journal? Monday journal. Here's what we had. A nice little retrace into this range liquidity. Or into this upside leg. Right? Or, oh my god. I need to down my fucking thoughts. Sorry. I'm distracted by his fucking song because it's a banger. This downside leg, right? You take the OT of it. You can see that price retrace right into that 618 with a sweep of that previous 5-minute candle liquidity. And this is something that we always talk about on these streams. We want to see how the previous body's close is respected by the current body. Right? So right here, you can see the previous body's close was disrespected, so the body stayed below it with a sweep as well. So that gave us some nice little conviction for some downside. Retraced over here, swept these liquidities. No close above those or below those liquidities. You can see our VIX fix is also going off on each one of those liquidity sweeps. Give us some room for upside. That was Monday. Going to Tuesday. Previous day high swept, and then we came down right to that previous day low, which was over here, that Sunday open, right? So we retested that Sunday open during that range, but the biggest thing was watching that previous daily high sweep with displacement, right? We want to see displacement after a huge sweep or a big liquidity sweep. No continuation above that previous day high right here gave us nice confirmation that we were going for downside. You can also take Asia session consolidation, London session sweep of that Asian session high with no sweep of the low. So you could have at least taken this down to that right there with your stop being somewhere over here, which is a nice trade that we took. I took it over here to these lows, and then fucked off. Other than that, watching that fair value gap and the bodies respecting it gave us that conviction to the downside. That was Tuesday. Let's go to Wednesday. What is this big range over here? Okay, I measured that. The Wednesday, did I not do anything on Wednesday? Oh, Wednesday was just like literally just fucking update. Honestly, I didn't see much of a setup. The only thing that we saw was just this little retrace right there at 9:30. So they gave us a nice little downside candle in the 15-minute open, low, high, close candle. Where is that Wednesday? Right there, 9:30. Where's that 9:30? So you can see, right? Similar thing that we talk about, that close respect. So we swept the bottom of that candle. If the body stayed below the close right there, that would have been a different story with getting some more downside. But the fact that we displaced this 15-minute fair value gap, right? Price pretty much retraced a little bit into it, but we swept the bottom of that previous 15-minute candle. So that was telling us, all right, we can go an outside 15-minute candle. That's exactly what happened right there. So that was our Wednesday trade. You could have also taken some longs off of this fair value gap, which would have been during that silver bullet hour, so they gave you some upside. And then Thursday, we're going into Thursday right here. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to Thursday. What is this fucking OTE that I have? Fucking just not showing. Maybe that was a Friday trade. Let me see. Thursday, we were expecting possible reversal up to the upside of that right there, of the Wednesday high. Didn't quite get it, but still, this is what told us we had some downside, right? We were kind of pumped up overnight, then a retrace during Asia. Price held this OTE right there, so you can see right there from Asian, held this 705 perfectly. So no retrace down to no retrace above that OTE. So I was telling us, okay, price doesn't want to continue above. Sweep of this liquidity at 925. 930 opens up right there. You can see the body respecting, right? It's respecting the close of that previous candle, or that's the close of that previous candle. Respecting it. Body's closing below it. Nice continuation to the downside. You could have taken a retest of this fair value gap, this tiny but mighty FVG, and nice little continuation to the downside. We saw some of these liquidities, typically outlining those on the 15-minute chart. And then Friday was just an absolute fucking beaut. Same thing, Asian session high swept. Obviously, nobody could have predicted this big candle, but you could have at least taken a trade to the downside of the London session or the bottom of that. Almost an outside day where we didn't sweep this. Actually, no. We did go outside day, did we? No, that didn't, because that's Thursday. Never mind. Thursday was the high of the week, right? Or, yeah, high of the week right there. We didn't sweep that previous daily high. We left it up top. But those tariff news were fucking phenomenal. Absolutely beautiful. Nice gusher to the downside. And there's that sweep of liquidity and no hold above it, right? That's always something that we want to watch for. That was that's on Q price action. Right now, we're watching a gap up into open. So Sunday open, like we always talk about, Sunday open is just blank, right? We don't have any liquidity to the downside, or we don't have any wick or manipulation to the downside. So right now, we're just building out the body to the upside, or the upside wick if we are going to retrace to the bottom. What you want to see is either this range liquidity or this range OTE holding. So from here all the way down to there. I want to see a rejection somewhere around these areas, right? If we don't reject from here, then obviously we're going to continue to the upside. But if we do reject, then we're going to watch for that Sunday opening level. We want to see it either hold or break. If we break it with displacement, then we're going to look for our downside liquidities, right? We can outline those a little later or outline those inside our Discord. But, if we do hold it, then our targets become right there. That's one of the things that I did mention inside our Discord is we need above this level, this 24,726.50, in order for us to continue up, and really need above this quarterly open at 24,838.25 in order for us to flip that quarter back and bullish. And this is why this level is important right there, that 24,726.50. If we go on the daily chart, right? What's this weekly? Never mind, it's weekly. You can see this range. You can see how the body's respected it. So that's why we want above this level right there, above that 24,726.50. Want above it in order for us to continue up, because this is a strong level. You can see the way the bodies are respecting it. We did have a nice retracement into this fair value gap. Actually, damn, this is actually pretty good. This retrace into the fair value gap. Look at the way the body's respecting that 50%. Yeah, that is so funny. As long as we're holding that, I'm sure we're going to continue up. I don't know what volatility is going to bring this week. We got Trump, I'm sure, yapping a few times here and there, tweeting out some things about Xi Jinping. And I love Lee. He's a great guy. China and USA have a great relationship. We're settling the agreement. No more 100% tariffs, and then we're gonna rip face. That's something to watch for. In terms of the crypto markets, I don't know if I got anything. I took a look at some, but still just watching majority of them, seeing what they want to do on these. I guess M and
1 hour Bitcoin chart is kind of scary.
I guess M&T. I'm watching this 4 hours CISD retest if we want to continue to the upside. It's good. God, that weekly is just fucking gnarly. But the retest of this level, right, that same level that we've held before on M&T is kind of giving me a little bit of hope. Not a biggest fan of this weekly, but so far it's opening a blunt to the top. I just want to see what they do. Once we hit this, I'll probably get some longs going on this 4 hour CISD retest. If not, we're going to watch this OTE. If they break below this OTE, obviously we're going to continue to the downside from there. That's what I got on that one. Let me get another fucking song going in this house. See how distracted I get with this one. This is a banger. Let's get some tunes. And if you guys have any questions at any point, make sure you to ask away in the chat below. We're also thinking of maybe streaming some Overwatch at some point one of these nights, just for funsies. Just a little chill stream. Maybe we'll talk some shit. See what we can do. Sure. See if my computer can handle it. once in a while. All right, let's take a look at some of these fucking. Let's take a look at Bitcoin chart on the 1 hour. Oh, that SFP.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, still below the 200. Even the way that 4 hour is with that previous day high sweep, not convincing. This is the thing I will bring up on ETH though. That's what I have. We have this channel, right? The bodies are respecting it. That's the biggest thing for me. So we can either go to the top of it, retest it, come back down again, with maybe we'll go up and then China news and again down, and then it's like, oh wait, no, tariffs canceled, and then we go up, and then finally over here we'll break above in November.
Feels like that.
Yeah, like
Back and forth and back and forth.
yeah, exactly. It's the same shit they did back in the fucking, like, it's bad and then it's good and then it's fucking really fucking bad and then it's really fucking good and then we finally fucking rip face. Like some shit like that, and then another one of these fucking gushers, sweep that and then come back up right there. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. I like that. That's what I got on ETH. Let's take a look at it. Percent change wise. Rebro just keeps on fucking ripping. That fucking wick to the downside was absolutely nothingness. Didn't even do anything like fucking that Friday candle, dude, or that Sunday candle. What was that? No, what candle was this? Saturday candle. Just insane. Sweep all of this, just fucking rip again. What the fuck? Yeah. Just retraced. Gave us 100% discount and then fucking cranked it right back up. The AIs, okay. EPT, ZEC. Form looks okay. SNX just cranking. API 3 is one of those that I'm watching. One above this quarterly and this monthly open as well in order for us to continue up. That weekly closed okay-ish. The biggest thing now is either we're watching 50% of these wicks on all of those names that we have on crypto that fucking wick down, couldn't come back up, or we're watching that weekly open, right? Either way, we want to see this body and this body right there. We want to see above one of these or below one of those in order either we're flipping back up or flipping back down. But monthly wise still doesn't look bad. Honestly, I like to sweep that SFP on the monthly. If it closes like that, cool. We can continue into November to some upsides. Right? If we do close below that SFP, then this coin is fucked. Basically, delist it, burn it, whatever, sell all the supply, and be done with it. There's Tau. Tau is fucking ripping it. About to send it to fucking all-time highs again. It's gonna be insane.
Yeah, that one looks really good.
Yeah, I took like the smallest little guy position on it.
Oh my god, the Rebro looks good.
Dude, yeah, that's the very first one I fucking looked at.
ZC still looks crazy.
Form kind of doesn't look bad.
Yeah, that looks good. Above the monthly.
Mm-hmm. Tau, I love Tau, honestly.
Yeah, I like Tau. Just gotta look at the high time frame on it.
Yeah. There we go. Dago. Barra, I saw your fucking trade on that bitch. Fucking insane.
Yeah, Tau weekly. Even if it just runs up and sweeps those liquidity.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's look at that.
Cheems.
300% on Tau already.
It's insane. Okay, Cheems too. Cheems wasn't even affected by that dump. It's the craziest part. Cheems went crazy. See, Cheems, Gurnall. Hippo got fucking obliterated. What is House doing? I feel like I haven't checked on House in so long. Oh my God. Got fucking destroyed. House got blown up. The house got blown up. Shell, ASR, looking decent ADA. Actually, like Alchemy, ALCH, that one, shitty of a coin as it is, like that SFP on the daily is just fucking gross. Like, look at that shit. Just need above that CSD, and that could give us a nice continuation to the upside. Like weekly sweep right there, monthly sweep right there too. But the rejection of this initial fair value gap is what's just like is not as attractive, but everything else about it looks pretty fucking good. Let's check these fucking suckers out. Yeah, that's honestly like just being patient here, waiting to see what they want to do, what Trump fucking yaps about, where price wants to actually go. And yeah, everybody's screaming you know, prices to the upside, but realistically we want to see some confirmation before we do that. Like bullish October and bullish quarterly, right? Q4, everybody wants to fucking see pump. Yeah, I do too, but at the same time, we need to see what price actually wants to do. They can drop whatever news they want to and fuck it all up, of course. But if this is a dip before the fucking rip, that was absolutely fucking disgusting. Like, oh my God, bat, what the fuck? Just recovered that whole fucking rundown.
That one looks good.
That weekly.
Yeah, I posted it before.
What the
really,
fuck?
Really good.
Yeah. God damn. God damn.
This weekly can go crazy off. It's a CISD retest.
Yeah. Yeah.
And closed outside week above.
Yep.
Yeah, this looks fucking crazy solid. At least back to the yearly open.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that fucking double top too at the top. That looks fucking phenomenal. HFT. Looks like ass. OM with the axle. Yeah, rats too. Rats went fucking insane. Retraced that whole fucking move back. Give me wall. No. Honestly, if there's some names that we don't cover on here, we're either going to post them on our Twitters or we're going to post them inside the Paper Traders Discord, which you can check out. You can check it out at www.papertraders.io, see what we're all about. On there, you'll see the most recent stream uploaded as well. You can also go back and watch past streams on our YouTube channel. There's a button that says View Past Streams. Press it, takes you to our playlist of everything that we've done in the past. Check our track record, see how we've done. Also, check out the Twitter. That's at the Paper Traders. Rare kind of looks good. That daily. Looks like a little Rising 3 guy. Some of these are disgusting.
Yeah, Bitcoin just doesn't look great right now.
Yeah. Yeah, check out at the Paper Traders. That's the best way to stay updated with us and what's going on inside the community. You can make sure you follow at Hayes Beats as well. Phenomenal guy, phenomenal trader. Got a lot of great insight on the markets, especially crypto. So make sure you guys go give him a follow. 3,000 followers. We're going to do a lifetime giveaway for the Paper Traders. We get me to 2,000 followers. I quit my job in the Trump voice. 3,000 followers, so stop talking about your moms. So for now, if you don't want to support us, just tell your mom about us, tell your dad about us, tell your friends about us, share them, like the streams. Ooh, Braca Life actually does not look bad with this accumulation that's got going on. Weekly also looks pretty good. We get that 12-hour fucking Rising 3. Also barely got affected on that fucking dump. It closed Friday green. What the fuck? Yeah, there's a very select few names that look rippy. Cow actually. That one doesn't look bad.
Yeah, I really fucking like that.
Which one?
That bat.
Yeah. Yeah, bat looks good as fuck. Okay. And CRO. Honestly, CRO I would take just because it's a fucking you know what coin. And that manipulation to the downside. We didn't even clear like did we make new lows? I don't think we did on like a Binance chart. But it still looks fucking good. Let's see. And just the people that are behind that coin makes me want to take longs on it. Huh? You know, if you can't beat them, join them in some sort of way that you can. So if they're pumping this shit, then BNB too. That's insane. Oh, BNB was the one that I was thinking of. Came down, cleared a lot of this fucking liquidity, and now it's just right back up. Like nothing ever fucking happened. Nothing ever fucking happened right there, guys. This is all fucking fake. Just a little ghost wick. Nothing wrong with that. I mean, technicals, yeah. You could have fucking put your order block right there and bought right there. This would have been fucking insane. Fucking crazy ass shit. I think that's all I got, honestly. Actually, MTI was it? MTI. I'll look at this stock real fast. Just one of them that I'll mention. Actually, no. ATI looks a little fucking goofy, silly. And there's what's this one I posted in our Discord? I'll give you guys that one that I'm looking for a retracement on. Oh, it was ATI. No, TSM. TISM fucking monthly. If this closes like that and we don't get a pump to the upside, this will be an absolutely disgustingly beautiful short into these fucking 134s. That's all I'm going to say. That's all I'm going to leave you with. If you guys want more, check out Discord or check us out on Twitter. So we're constantly posting charts on there as well. So there is no need to follow. Just keep tuning into these streams. Keep watching. Keep telling your friends. Keep telling your moms about us. 500 viewers on these streams. We'll do a giveaway for some merchandise. So make sure you tell everybody about us. Other than that, that'll do it. Mr. Shane, you got anything? That'll do, pig. Yep. Alrighty, guys. Have a beautiful night. Stay safe out there. And, yeah, got nothing else. Have a good night. Peace out. Bye. Bye.